Hi, welcome to Tea with Jann. I am Jann. I am excited to talk to you guys today about David's Tea Guarana Chai. It is a pu'erh tea. Let's get this steeping and then we can talk more about it. Ooh. Give this a stir. We'll set our timer for 4.5 minutes. All right, while that's steeping, let's take a closer look at this. Okay, so what David's Tea says is rich, lively, and warming with a spicy finish. Feeling groggy? Supercharge your day with this game-changing blend of focus-loving cinnamon, warming ginger, and guarana powder, a popular Amazonian plant touted for its energizing properties. Made with a base of metabolism-boosting pu'erh tea, this rich and spicy adaptogenic chai is the perfect way to beat that post-lunch slump, whether you sip it straight or as a latte. Okay, so the ingredients. The first ingredient is cinnamon, then ginger, pu'erh tea, cardamom, cocoa shells, dandelion root, guarana powder, black pepper, chili flakes, natural cassia oil, C-A-S-S-A-I, cassia oil. It's a product of the USA. It's low caffeine, and the water temperature was at 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 95 degrees Celsius. And like I said, it's considered a pu'erh tea under the David's Tea lineup. So it looks very interesting. I'm gonna assume these here little flaky pieces are some dandelion root, cocoa nibs. There's actually not a massive amount of pu'erh tea in there, you can see. So interesting. Very, very interesting. And for reference, I typically do love pu'erh tea. Chais, I do like chais, but it's hit or miss. I'm not huge for like massive amounts of cinnamon. So it'll be interesting, whereas cinnamon is the first ingredient, if they can get that well balanced in here or not. Playing with my tea, playing with my tea. Dry. It's not as cinnamony as what you would think. Interesting. The ginger, that's what's kicking me. And then there's also black pepper and chili flakes. So this should be a pretty spicy one. Cardamom. Well, you need cardamom, of course. Okay, and there's our timer. Give this a little spin. And here we go. Trying it 2 ways, of course. The hot and the iced. Whoop! Maybe the iced. We don't got much left. I got yammered away. Okay. Give this a spin to get this cooling down. Okay. Oh. Guarana Chai. Hot. Smells. Ooh. If you like spicy things, like you can taste it all here. It's very interesting. So when you first take a sip, it's kind of like mellow and earthy, and then as the sip goes down your throat and like leaves off of your tongue, it's all of that like spice, like that ginger and the chili and the pepper. It's just like all in your tongue. Yeah, that's actually quite interesting. Wow. This is more interesting than what I thought it was going to be, for sure. I should also tell you, I'm not a huge fan of like over-the-top spicy things. This here, I don't know, the spiciness of it just makes me giggle. It's very interesting. Okay, let's try it iced. Oh, interesting. So iced on its own, ooh, it still has that like spice, but it's more of like one of those cinnamon hearts. That is very interesting. Let's throw some oat milk in there and see how it goes. I know it should be like, you know, a bit stronger, but we'll just put a little bit in and see how it goes. This is a vintage Royal Albert creamer. One of my aunties gave me this. So I wonder if the creaminess will kind of mellow it out a bit. I think this would make a delicious latte because now that's like creamier. It's still spicy. You definitely want to make your tea a bit stronger because the oat milk does kind of like, you know, overpower a bit. But you can still taste that spiciness. Wow, that's very interesting. I'm kind of shocked. I don't hate it. All right, there you have it. I want to know, have you tried this chai? Do you love chais? What are your thoughts on spiciness in tea? I'll meet you guys in the comments down below. Until next time, take care. Bye.